Hi, my name is Mateusz, and today we are working on wife's car. You see the all-around camera system is malfunctioning. We're getting a green screen, and parking an SUV and a wife driving might be a problem without the cameras, so we definitely need to fix it. Anyway, let me show you what I'm going to do. Okay, so this is how I'm trying to get to the camera module that has been malfunctioning lately. So I took this piece of trim out, then I was able to lift the carpet, and yeah, right now I'm just putting some piece of wood to give me access, and I'm undoing 3 bolts that hold the module in place. Now, the best money ever spent is one of those ratcheting wrenches. This one is 10 millimeters. So yeah, so essentially I undid the seat ball, so I was able to lean the seat back. I disconnected the battery because we don't want any airbags going off, and now I'm undoing those 3 bolts. I'll show you once I get the module out, hopefully, what it looks like. So yeah, just stay tuned. So that's the module. Oh, okay, so got the sucker out. I don't have any sign of corrosion, so I think it's actually the module itself must be malfunctioning. So we'll try to get a used one. Okay, so I managed to put a new unit in. Unfortunately, my phone flashlight stopped working. Anyway, so you can see that I was able to do it without removing the carpet. I put a little piece of wood to lean my seat on. I had to remove this to do it. So essentially minimum invasive effort. Popping it back in underneath this carpet. There's 4 bolts. You can fill them out. And yeah, and a module from eBay did the trick. I tested it, it all worked nice. So now I have about 10 minutes to put it all together. So mission accomplished. Wifey will be very happy that the car is working again. I'm happy to report that the fix was successful, and if you take a look at this, look at that, it works. So yeah, not bad for a musician.